This rucksack is a custom reproduction of iconic Soviet backpack, Veshmishok, built as a proof of concept. Now the bag was completely hand-sewn out of extra thick canvas, and both the fabric and the threads are from 100% cotton fiber. For the sheer thickness of this canvas, all the raw edges were individually hand-hemmed with buttonhole stitch in the interval of 3 threads per stitch. The dimensions of this bag were derived straight from this pattern of unidentified source, being approximately 65 centimeters tall and 45 centimeters wide, which resulted in about a medium-sized pack. And the shoulder strap, about 5 feet long in total, is completely length adjustable. A cordage is wrapped around on the connection, and then each end is tied with a square knot, which could easily be undone for maintenance and length adjustment. Notice the webbing is splitted and crossed in order to narrow the angle of lift, thereby rendering the load distribution as even as possible without compromising the width of it. Although I have made this connection only on the right side, but this could absolutely be made on both sides for making the sack and the shoulder strap into completely independent parts. The tri-glide sleeve for the chest strap was cut and filed out of 3mm thick copper boost bar, roughly following the dimension of the given pattern. Instead of directly sewing an external pouch over the bag, 4 rows of 7-node pals straps, or more commonly known as moli, were sewn. And now this is just 1 inch wide webbing, with 1.5 inch spacing in between each sewing point. At the moment I have made and attached a mini bag as a secondary compartment for the miscellaneous items, which is connected using another strap with loops folded and sewn on each end, where cordage is passed through and tied. Four straps with tri-glide slide for stacking great quarter blanket roll featured on the original design was replaced by 8 single-node pals webbing. And here, alternatively, a simple cord just passes through these straps and fastened to bedrolls instead. Now if you have noticed, there's no zipper for the closure of this bag. Instead, the pack is tied by the shoulder strap with large set knot, and this simultaneously creates 2 openings for carries on back. Overall, it's a cheap, simple, and pretty effective design, and I very much appreciate this century-old Soviet engineering.